So friends, if you have added multiple account in PhonePe application and later on if you want to remove any one of your account and if you are selecting unlink option or delete option, PhonePe is not allowing you to remove the account, it is showing you this error message, then no need to worry. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can easily remove any account in PhonePe application. But before going ahead, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open PhonePe application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now once the application is completely started, just go at the top and select your profile over here, then select manage payment option. Now it will take you to the next page, and on this particular page all you have to do is just select UPI bank account. Now once you select UPI bank account, you can see I have 4 of my account added in PhonePe application. So let's say if I want to remove any particular account, if I go to Kotak Bank over here and if I go down and if I select unlinked bank account over here and if I select delete account, you can see it is giving me an error message. It says that you cannot delete this account. Let me show you once again. Because it is saved as autopay or it is being used for autopay. So which is why I'm not able to remove my account from PhonePe. But if I go to any other account, let's say if I go to my IndusInd account, if I go down and if I select unlinked bank account and if I select delete over here, now you can see I am still able to remove my other account because it is not linked to autopay. So if you want to remove any account which is linked to autopay, then how can you remove it? So for that you just have to go back, and once you are on profile, again go to manage payment, and on this particular page select autopay option over here. Now you can see I have 2 autopay, one is Apple service and another one is for Netflix. So just select autopay whichever you want. Now in this particular autopay you can see my HDFC account is linked. So I want to remove my Kotak account. So if I go to my Netflix autopay, you can see Kotak account is used here. So in order to delete Kotak Bank from PhonePe, you need to delete autopay first. So on this particular page, you have to go down. You have to select delete autopay option over here. Again, select confirm, and it will ask you to enter 6-digit UPI pin. So you have to enter UPI pin for that particular account. Now once you enter UPI pin, select submit option, and within a few seconds you can see autopay has been deleted. Again you can go back and remove that autopay from PhonePe, select confirm option. Now you can see that autopay has been removed. Now again go back, select UPI bank account, and this time if I go in Kotak Bank and if I go down and if I select unlinked bank account and delete, now you can see I have successfully unlinked or deleted Kotak Bank from my PhonePe. So yeah, this is how simple it is to remove any bank account. If you're facing any issue, you just have to go and check your autopay and then you will be able to delete that account from PhonePe application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.